RIMS has deeply mourned the untimely passing of Chingsubam Ongbi Manju, 36, of Lilong Chajing, who succumbed today at RIMS Hospital due to complications following surgical delivery. The hospital authority has extended heartfelt condolences to the bereaved family during this period of grief. The tragedy triggered protest by relatives and locals demanding accountability from the hospital. During the agitation, a RIMS professor was assaulted and hospital property were damaged. While acknowledging the grief of the family and community, RIMS administration stressed that violence, property damage and attacks on medical personnel are unlawful and disrupt essential healthcare services. The hospital condemned the assault and vandalism, promising a thorough review of the incident and appropriate action through legal and administrative channels. Authorities appealed to the public to maintain peace, respect public institutions, and cooperate in resolving grievances through lawful means.